So we interrupt your daily program here on
Niga Nana Krista! Greetings, Earthlings!
Send help, send Jesus, send wine.
Yes, we have the wine. Greetings, Earthlings! We are back opening round 2 of our stitching costume.
And here is what we're looking for.
The question is, will I have better luck this time?
I mean, you at least were missing some 1 out of 6s, so
We're
like...
only missing one out of 6. That is the Beauty and the Beast one. We have all of the middle row, and then we're missing all of the bottom row.
So like, I'm hoping for at least 1 more, a new one, maybe
Yes.
3. What do you think is going to be your luck?
I'm not stating anything or thinking anything on purpose, because as soon as I state something, I will be horribly disappointed.
So, nothing.
So delusions.
Convince yourself.
Yes, so let's get these all unwrapped.
Which one first?
This one, whatever this one is. I forget if these are in blind bags or not.
They are. All magic comes at a price, dear.
Am I going to guess? I think it's Stitch.
You always gonna win.
So-
Oh!
Okay, we do...
That is the 1 out of 6.
Yes. I think we have this one already, or is this the one we're missing?
I thought you were missing 2 of the 1 out of 6.
So then maybe we were... Oh, yeah, we were. So that's one of them.
So we already got 1 new one. So I was right so far.
Uh-huh. We are on to the next one. Gonna ask me who I think it is?
Who do you think?
Stitch.
That's a good answer.
In a costume.
You know what? Success. Who'd you get?
Let's see. We already have that one.
Okay, that is the 1 out of 6. That
That's
is
the
Sebastian,
Sebastian. He
who
keeps falling
does
over.
not want to stay up.
He's very cute, but we do have him already.
Is he just... Okay.
We're on to the 3rd box because I don't have patience. And I don't guess like my mama because I don't have patience.
So who do you think it is? What is it telling you it is?
Stitch.
Bravo.
So we're gonna open it up and I'm pretty sure this is Gus. Yes.
It is Gus, and that's a 1 out of 12, though.
He's so cute though. Look at him. Stand. I'll stand on you. I'll
Pass.
stand on you. Oops.
He's
I
not.
tried. Please hold.
What's in this box?
Stitch.
Are you sure?
Yes. Did that scare her? Yes. Good.
Yes, but it went to her.
Good.
All right. Is it Stitch?
Let's see. It is, and it's another one that we were missing. So
It is the other 1 out of 6. So far you have gotten 3 1 out of 6 and 1 out of 12, but you have 2 new ones. So
Yes.
we've cleared the 1st and the 2nd row.
I'm hoping we get something in the 3rd row with one of these last 2.
I would really like a 1 out of 72.
Yep. Yeet!
Oh, the dog is like, goodbye.
I missed her though, so that's
did.
good. Ready, set, Stitch.
Oh, it's 1 out of 24.
It's 1 out of 24. I think we already have him, but he's still adorable.
We do, but he is adorable. I almost thought it was the Dalmatian for a quick minute.
But we still got a 1 out of 24. We're doing better this time than we did the last time so far.
We
No
are
loops
doing...
thus far.
I swear to God, if you get a dupe right now, I'm all bite.
I don't think this is a dupe. My mom's not here, so I'm blessed. Okay, it was a dupe. Never mind, I'm not blessed. My mom's not here.
I'm so successful. Never mind. So,
What am I without my mama? Confusion. Delusions.
I can't answer this question because I am still in the house.
I am a unicorn alien.
That would work. So to recap, we got 4 1 out of 6s, 1 out of 24, and 1 out of 12, and 2 new ones though.
2 new ones, yes.
I do not think though you will be getting more of these because the ratios are hecka weird.
The ratios are now very, very, it's slim pickings to get the other ones, so.
Definitely not online. Well, bye!
Bye!
Toodaloo!
Toodaloo.